Hey guys, welcome once again to Traders Motivation, and today we're going to have a look at a few daily setups, have a look at what's going on in the currency market, see if we can find any trades we want to take. Just a quick disclaimer, anything that I talk about today should not be construed as financial advice. Any trades that you take, you do so at your own discretion. So in front of us now we've got the EURUSD daily chart, and obviously yesterday the news came out that Le Pen and Macron are going to be contesting the presidential election. And we've got two sides to that. We've got Le Pen, who's far right. She's wanting to get France out of Europe, become its own independent country. And then we've got Macron, who's very pro-Euro and wants to stay in the Europe, which in the end will improve the value of the euro. And as we can see, that was quite demonstrated in yesterday's chart with that big gap up there, as Macron had a slight lead percentage-wise going into the final runoff, which I believe is towards the end of this week or maybe week after. So the euro gapped up quite dramatically on the news that Macron had a slight lead against Le Pen. It retraced a little and it looks like it's going to be coming up a little bit further. So I've got two trade setups that I'm looking at. I think if Macron wins, we're going to bump up and at least touch and test this 200 smooth moving average coming down here, which coincides with the trend line that takes the highs of May 2016 and November 2016 as well. So I think that's going to be the target should Macron get into power. And then I think we'll probably come down and test this trend line again, because the whole Eurozone is not in a very healthy state at this moment in time. So I can't see us breaking this trend line, even if France do decide to appoint Macron, who is very pro-European. If Le Pen gets into power, I think we're going to be coming down and testing this trend line here again. And then if we do break, which I anticipate we will, as France is quite a major power in the Eurozone, we'll probably come down to this trend line, break it, and probably test the lows, and if not, make new lows, as France making moves to leave the euro would destroy the euro against the dollar, in my opinion, and we're probably likely to see parity at some stage in the future. So that's Euro USD for now. I can't see any active trades I want to take at the moment in time until we come up to this 200 smooth moving average, which also coincides with this trend line. So I'd keep an eye on this area here, guys, which is around 1.10028. So 1.1 would be the area that I'd look at before I've taken any short trades on the Euro USD. So we'll have a look at GBPUSD. Right, GBPUSD. We've got a big missed daily pivot up here, but that did see a considerable move to the downside. I think I can see a short. I think the shorts have gone from this area here as this candle touched it. I do like longs from down here at 1255. I think a break of this trend line here and we're likely to see a touch up to this trend line here. So I would be looking at price action, breaking this trend line, and then coming up to at least touching this smoothing average here. That's the GBPUSD setup for something that I'm looking at going into this week. But we'll see how we go. Obviously, the election's coming up in Britain. Depending on what happens there, could spell which way the GBPUSD is going to go. I think May coming into power and getting her majority and sealing some more years into her prime ministerialship, I think is probably quite strong for GBPUSD, as the market doesn't really know what it wants to do at this moment in time. Calling the election created quite a bullish move in the GBPUSD. So I'd be waiting for probably the general election before I would be making any significant moves in GBPUSD at this moment in time. So I think we're likely to probably test this trend line here. It looks like it's taking it into consideration and using it as a good resistance level. So I think we're probably going to bounce around for quite a while until the results come out, but then I think we'll make a shoot up to this 200 moving average at some point in the future. So that's EURUSD and GBPUSD. If anybody's got any currency pairs or commodities or stocks they want me to take a look at, please leave in comments. I do have a website project currently being developed at protradeanalysis.com, where I'll be posting a lot more regular, posting trade setups, posting technical analysis techniques. So please make sure you guys go and check that out. If you like the charts that I'm using on TradingView, which is probably the best technical analysis platform that you can use, please check out the links below, and I'll have a link for you to follow for you guys to sign up to TradingView. If you've got any questions on the TradingView package or software, please let me know. I'm happy to do some instructional videos on how to use TradingView, as I believe it is probably the best charting software, free charting software that you can get out there. Alright guys, so best of luck in the markets today. That's EURUSD and GBPUSD summary. Yeah, so best of luck guys, and I'll catch you later. Bye for now.